you do something with the YouTube channel? It says it's no longer available.
No, Dad, I didn't touch it. Hello?
Hello, Noah.
Who's this?
This is the Game Master.
I know who you are. You took down the Toy YouTube channel. Don't even think about doing it to us.
Oh, I already did. But I'll give you a chance to get it back.
How do I do that?
By playing my game, you have to solve all of my riddles.
What's the riddle?
My first riddle is, when it's cold outside, you can count on these.
Count on what?
Oh, I forgot to tell you, there will be obstacles along the way.
What obstacles?
You only have 5 minutes to solve all of my riddles.
How do I contact you when I'm done?
Your timer starts now.
Hey, he just hung up. If it's cold outside, you can count on these. You can count on your fingers. And if it's cold outside, you put gloves on. There's something inside. GM. Game Master. Bounce so high you can touch the sky. What does that mean? Like, you could bounce on the trampoline. Okay, I guess that was up, so who was talking about? Bounce so high to touch the sky. Touch the sky. If you're scared, look away. Scared? Scared of what? It was just Halloween. Decorations? Wait, is he still out there? If you're scared, look away. If you're scared, look away. Like if I turn around and put my back to it? If you have a sweet tooth, see someone close by. Like if I eat candy? Someone close by. Like, there's no one close by. Like a neighbor? Wait, the twin just got 3 Mary jelly beans.
Oh, hey, it's Noah. Hey, Noah. How's it going?
I heard you were passing out jelly beans to all the neighbor kids.
Yes, that's good. Wait, so you didn't get yours yet?
No.
I thought all the bags were... Okay, hold on 1 second. All right. So, lucky for you, there's one left. So, enjoy. Don't eat it before dinner. You're gonna spoil your dinner, okay?
Yeah.
All right, enjoy. There's a lot in there. Okay, we'll see you later.
What is this? light you away. There's nothing on here but an X. Let me light you away. Whoa, there's a map. This is supposed to be it, but it's covered by the leaves. I found it. I wonder what's underneath it. Hello?
Noah, I see you solved my riddles. You can have your channel back.
Just turn my channel back on Game Master.
The game is not over yet, Noah. The game has only begun.
Whatever.
You know, I got the channel back up and running.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Dad. Parents.
And by the way, the mailman just came and a letter came for you. I don't know who it's from. It just says GM on it. So, whenever you come in.